Hi and welcome back to my channel, my precious little babies. So this week I'm really in the mood to make some bracelets. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. I am so tired and sleepy. I have a smoothie bowl. Just to give me some energy. I think it would be really fun to make bracelets and jewelry till I can't anymore. I went to the store a few days or a week ago or something at this point, and I got this whole bead set and it's just so freaking cute. And then I got these ends. They're like the ones that you like screw apart, then you screw together. I just thought that was like a lot more efficient than what I was doing before. I think the first thing that we need to make is one of these daisy bracelets, because this is not a bracelet. This is my choker that I made on my YouTube shorts. Yeah, I think we should just make like an actual bracelet. Alright, so I low-key ran into a problem because, as you can see, the string is not really that long anymore. It's maybe like 2-3 inches long, and this barely goes, like, we just don't have enough string to make it into a full bracelet, which kind of sucks because I wanted this to be a bracelet. But instead of doing that, I found this little Tom Nook charm, and I think I'm just gonna use this and make it like into a cute little keychain. Flip and flop.
What's your profanity?
Oh my god. But I don't know if I should put on a few more of the blue ones. Maybe just one, since we started with one. Let's get our crimping. And then we're just gonna attach it to this one. then at the end of any little project that you make, when you're putting on the crimping beads, make sure that you don't cut it off until you run the string back through the crimping bead, and then try to get the crimping bead over the knot as much as you can, and then we're gonna crimp it. Then we're gonna cut this off. And we have this cute little keychain. I really like it. I think it's really cute. Oh, and last step, since I kind of already attached this, I obviously don't want to remove any of this because it's gonna make everything fall apart. I found this cute little clip and we're just gonna put it through, and now we have a way to attach it. It's not like the best looking one, but I'm just working with what I have at the moment. I am back from the store, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I got. So I went to 2 different stores just because Michael's didn't really have a lot of like cute charms, or they were just like very basic. They didn't have any like flower charms, which I was like pretty surprised by. But I did get some key charms, brass and silver ones. And then also for Michael's, I did end up getting these 2 different kinds of beads because I think the blue one is better than this blue one. It's almost difficult to tell, but this one's more green. And then the other one is like more blue. And then very exciting, I got a 40% off coupon off of one item. So I might go back soon and just get one thing. Then I went to Hobby Lobby and I got a bunch of charms from here, and a lot of them were on sale, which was like pretty cool. But the first thing that I got is like pretty basic, is just okay. Oh, this sucks. This is like made out of plastic. Whatever. And then time for the charms. Okay. So I got this. This is all like based on the fairy tale series that they have at Hobby Lobby. This one is the pumpkin from Cinderella. It's really, really cute. It was only $1.24, which is nice because before it was $4.99, which is like $5 for this.
I don't think so.
And it's like a bead that spins around. But I thought we would like do a keychain that's like Halloween themed. Then I got this key thingy. There's like small, medium, and large. They're very adorable. I really like this. And then I finally found some flower charms. I did pay $5 for these. That like kind of hurt me. They look like that. I think these are really, really cute. Because like if we're gonna be making flower thingies, this would be adorable for that. Then I found these rose charms. It's like Beauty and the Beast, and I think these are really, really cute. I thought we would do some red flowers with this. I could always do gold center. That would be pretty cute, I think. And then the last one I got, and then I paid full price for this one. It was $3.99. And then the last one that I got for $1.49 was this bear. I thought he was so cute. This is the only one that like isn't really on theme with anything, but I still thought it was really, really cute. So anyways, let's keep going. I think the first thing that I'm gonna do actually is make like a bracelet that looks like this, because this is a cute keychain, but this was supposed to be a necklace. So let's go make a bracelet version of that. Ugh, this is, guys. Okay, so I'm thinking of doing like a rainbow thingy for him, like a rainbow flower. But I also feel like he would look really cute with like sunflowers. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna try something new. I found this picture on the internet, and you see how like in between each flower, it's like, it looks like a bunches of leaves. So I'm gonna try my best to replicate that style. So I think the way it goes is you get 3 little beads. This is kind of gonna be trial and error, obviously. And then I think that maybe we go through the second bead like that. So then maybe we get 3 more beads. Get another 3 little beads, and then maybe we go through the second one again. So maybe something like that. I think that looks right. I'm just gonna put 1 more, I guess. Okay, so maybe like the 7th bead goes at the very end so that we can start our next flower. I think I just figured it out, maybe. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is! Only thing that bothers me is that this part and this part, the metals don't match. This one is gold, this one is silver. But again, like I said, I just don't have any gold top things. But this is so cute. I'm so happy that I decided to try a different leaf pattern. I think going forward, that's going to be really, really cute to do on other bracelets. Okay, so the next one I want to do is the rainbow one, but I think so there's Blathers, and not that anything about him has to do with rainbows, but I just think he looks pretty flippin' cute, and I think he deserves some rainbow flowers because, you know, he's like the bug guy, the animal guy, and animals and bugs come in like rainbows. So let us create a rainbow flower pattern for Blathers. This is the little keychain that we made. It's so flippin' cute. Like, I'm honestly so impressed with this. I just think it looks so beautiful, so dainty. I'm a genius.